Welcome to Psychic Insights, where pop culture meets higher consciousness and the tea is always a little bit mystical. I'm Robin Richardson, your psychic girlfriend, and around here we don't just watch the drama unfold. We read the energy behind it, whether it's celebrity scandals, reality TV, chaos, or true crime with a twist. I'm tuning in to bring you the intuitive scoop the headlines miss. So buckle up, because your aura's about to get entertained. Hello, it's Robin Richardson, your psychic girlfriend. Good morning. It's a morning episode. All right. So I had to pop on here again. Girl, this is about Laura Owens again. Girl, I have to have a sip of my coffee. All right, Laura is now complaining that the Justice for Clayton group is raising money for Michael Marraccini, which is true. And we're seeing her attempt to reclaim her control of the narrative. And it's slipping further. And I pulled cards. Yes, I did. And this move, Laura, signals desperation. And my cards agree. And today I pulled Garden. I asked what's next for Laura. I pulled Garden, Birds, Lily, Whip, and Coffin. This is not a victorious line. This is a decline in energy, a slow unraveling with public pressure, loss of credibility, and a reckoning ahead. So let's break it down. Now, the Garden is the public. She's concerned about how she's being seen. Of course she is. And this card always points to public exposure, reputation, social circles, or online forums. So her anxiety about the JFC crew makes sense. She knows people are watching. Well, obviously, she's stalking people. And she knows the public image is collapsing. She knows this. Now, Birds. Birds is next. This is social chatter. Oh, I love the Birds. It's arguments, it's whispers behind the scenes, it's the Twitter threads, it's the Reddit posts, it's the TikTok recaps, and she's feeling the pressure of the collective voices against her. It's also anxious energy, possibly even paranoia or obsessive monitoring of what other people are saying. Okay, these are my psychic opinions. Take it with a spiritual grain of salt. Okay, opinions, insights. What I think. Okay, Lily. Oh, girl, Lily. This equals maturity, authority, and legal systems. In this context, the Lily represents the justice system and older, wiser forces coming into play, like a judge, finally seeing through the noise. The court is shifting out of emotion and into calm discernment. It's less about drama and more about evidence. And that doesn't favor her. Okay. I'm like the voice of reason this woman does not have. Anyways, here's Whip, and this represents conflict, repetition, consequences. As a mom, I'm like, there's always consequences to your actions. And this card often represents legal clashes, heated exchanges, and karmic loops. It also can point to punishment, especially when paired with Lily and my next one, Coffin. This shows she's not letting go. She's continuing to create conflict, but now it's becoming repetitive, even annoying to the court, and judges don't love drama. And while Whip and Lily is the kind of combo that can bring disciplinary action, sanctions, or backlash for misuse of the system. Now, Coffin, endings, closure, silence. This is the final nail, so to speak. Coffin represents something ending for good, a ruling, a cycle, a performance, and energetically, this likely signals the legal shutdown of her petition. Her narrative is losing credibility, a period of forced silence, possibly under court order. So what's the outcome of this energy? If this pattern continues, her petition against Mike is likely to be dismissed or denied. The court may reprimand her if it senses manipulation or misuse of legal protections. Now, the public support will continue shifting towards Mike, especially if he remains calm and shows up with evidence, not emotion. And Mike, I hope you use that money to get an awesome attorney, which I hope you did. Anyway, now there's a chance this case will trigger a bigger wave of legal scrutiny on her actions, especially now she filed it in San Francisco. So the California courts might take notice here. And it may take notice of prior filings. So here's my final psychic insight. This is the point of the story that starts closing in on itself. Laura's energetic grip is loosening. She's being forced, like literally, karma is like ripping her little greasy little fingers off of her hold on this narrative. She's going to be gone from being the center of attention and being the subject of questioning. It's like this woman doesn't know how to stop. So now she could be possibly facing legal consequences for how she's handled the system herself. The Garden and the Coffin, bookending this spread, says, you wanted visibility, now the ending is public too. So let me know what you think about this spread and what you think is going to happen next with this particular case. And for those of you who would like to donate to Mike's cause, I have added his link to his GoFundMe because everyone deserves great legal representation, especially after it's being weaponized against you. And this has been Psychic Insights with your psychic girlfriend, Robin Richardson, and I'll see you in the next one.